What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jake to the yeah. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make beats real easy and quick and simple in FL Studio. This is just an approach of how you can get started making beats real simple. And all you got to do is figure out one chord. Now, this is just how I do it. I'm not by far the FL Studio guru. There's a lot of more people on here that can do a lot better job, but you at the beginning stage, so you may not really understand what they saying. That's where I come in. So let's dive right into it. So okay, so let's do this. We're gonna put this down here. Let's move this up here because we're gonna need it. All right. So what I like to do, let's go ahead, find some better samples that you may want to use. Let's use that because I like it. Let's find a kick. Put that right there. So we got hi-hat, kick, Let's just put that right there for good measures. Then you want to come over here and find an instrument. So what I like to do is start out with like a pad or something. Find you a good pad. Let's see here. Not like that though. Let's find another one. Find something else. Start out with what you want. Shit. You know what? Let's just switch it up for the sake of time. If you don't want to start out with pads because you don't like them, start out with another song, another instrument. That's too rough. Because the whole point of what I'm doing is you kind of want to find something that's going to be able to make you some chords, at least initially. Let's just do a realistic piano. Oh, dope. Can't go wrong with that. And then what you want to do is come over here, right click, and lay your chord out. I'll come up here, go to stamp, figure out what I want to do. Just do a minor. And you see you got 3 sounds. It automatically put 3 right there. Let me take that. We don't need that right now. Take that out. Now we up real high, so let's bring that down. We're gonna do that. So then that you got that, just kind of bring it out a little bit. Then you're gonna copy and paste it, and you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. So then that you got this out for a full bar, it's just gonna sound like this. Now what you can come do is start moving notes around. And you notice it's staying within the chord. So now technically we could just go with that. So let's come over here, and then we want to all right, let's go back over here first. Let's go ahead. Now we got that. Let's copy that on over here. Now we can come back over to the channel rack, right click on the hat, put that in there. And it's kind of loud in my ear, so we'll turn it down a little bit right here. Now when you put that on there and you see it's kind of overlapping, you're gonna want to come over here and hit cut itself. Now it won't overlap. I'm just making this up. gonna copy that and put it down here to the kick to add a little bottom end to it. Well, a little top end to the 808. Let's take that out for now. Now we'll come over here to this piano roll, and then you can really come up here and, oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Now we're gonna highlight this and we're gonna bring this up because we want it in. And then, so because when we do that, we can kind of move this around to the chord. You see what I'm doing? And then we're gonna drag it back down. That just kind of helps you clearly see where you are. So now we can bring this, highlight that, and then bring it back down to where we were. And let's do this. Let's bring it down one more. So now we got that clone. Let's just add a little doopy-doopy in there. Then we're gonna come down here to the piano roll, and then now you see we got this. So now you come over here and just and we just bring it back. We just stand on these notes. And I'm just drawing. Now we can take that and then bring it down. See what we're doing? You see what we're doing? I don't like that though. It ain't gonna work every time. Now we gotta keep going lower. What was that? We gotta keep going lower. Too low. Garbage. I don't like none of that. So let's come back up to here. Cause that's actually kind of getting on my nerves. You just gotta play around with it, cuz. You gotta play around with it. So let's go and chop that. We're gonna chop that. We're gonna chop that. What am I doing? There we go. We're gonna chop that. Like that. It's kind of high for me right now. Let's switch this up. I don't like that. So let's come over here, stretch that out again, stretch that out again. Oh, that's better. Now I'm gonna do the same. that. Now let's come back over here. Let's just kind of erase on that. And see, you just gotta play with it until you find something that you like. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know what I'm saying. Let's do that. Oh. See, I don't like that, so we're gonna bring that down. Ooh, that's a whole lot better. We're gonna go ahead and change this. Let's change it to like a bell. Yeah, come up here. You're not gonna have too much going on. See how I'm doing? And then we're gonna come back. Now we're gonna come back and clone that. And then we want to clone. We want to copy this. Yep. Kind of fatten that up a little bit. Change it. But we're gonna do something different. Now we gotta break it down. Kind of feel like too much going on with the drum. Hey, yeah, hit me. And there you have it. You pretty much got a beat. We're just using 3 notes. We just use 3 notes to make a beat. You heard that right in FL Studio. That's how you do it, folks. That's how you do it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hey, oh, what did I just do?